Hey guys, welcome back to Snazzy Tech Media. Hope everybody's doing well these days and everybody had a fantastic Christmas. Let's get into it. As you can see, I've updated my logos and created my own titles that is used in Final Cut Pro, and which was also created using the program Motion. Both awesome programs. I'm really hoping everybody likes them. I know I do. Now, they're going to be part of my brand going forward with all the videos that I'm going to create in 2026. So, I'm really excited. So, anyway, it's just too awesome. They're too awesome. It's just amazing how powerful they are. So, I'm really excited. And it's really easy to do. So, that's pretty cool. I recently posted a Christmas Jeep Corner video. So, go ahead and make sure you check that out. And, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button for catching all of the future content that I'm going to create in the very near future. Anyways, let me give you a quick rundown of what's going on. Basically, life has been busy and working got in the way, but in a good way, of course. And I've been creating video content. I just have not had a chance to post it. And because so much time has passed, they're pretty much out of date, so I'm not going to bother posting them. But it's okay. I may pull some footage that's related, but that's all good anyway. So, if you saw my Jeep video, then you know the gist of what I want to do. If not, no worries. I'm going to talk about it here. My resolution for 2026 is that I'm going to do better with creating more content in 2026 for sure. With that in mind, I'm going to be going on more trips and getting out of the house more in order to make that content that I want to create. Thankfully, with the MacBook Air M3 that I have, I am mobile and can work from anywhere, and it's really that easy, so thank God for that. As much as I working from home, I'm getting a little stir crazy, since my wife and I, we don't go out as much. That's a story for another time. But, however, that ain't going to be changing in 2026. Well, that I pretty much started about in October with the first trip of the year. Went to Motor Beach to go to Motor Beach Jeep Jam, and it was awesome. It really reignited my desire to create more video content, anything with technology, anything with drones, which I will post more on that after I successfully get my Part 107 license. And I will be successful, so watch out for that. And of course, gaming news, and now I'm talking about anything Jeep related. So it could be very exciting, so watch out for that. Especially hit that like and subscribe button. With that said, there's going to be sub-channels within the thing, so I have Chris's Tech Channel, which has been renamed to Snazzy Tech Media, and then we're going to have Chris's Jeep Corner, obviously, so it's going to be awesome, so keep an eye out for that. I'm setting it up this way as well because if I'm successful in modernizing my content, I future-proof any setup that I need to create, which is awesome. So let me give you a quick list of what technology that I have and got. Now, as I mentioned before, I have the MacBook Air M3, the 15-inch, which is basically the early 2024 model. And I still have my iPhone 15 Pro Max, which is what I'm using to create this video. It's the Apple Watch Series 7, the second generation of the iPad Pro, the Apple HomePod Mini, the Apple TV 4K, the GoPro Hero 9, and now to the joining the family, it's Insta360 S5 and the Insta360 Flow Pro 2. I have some serious updating to do as far as my older tech, so I'm going to do what I can in 2026. So make sure you keep out for future videos on that. 2026 is really going to see my brand growing in a big way. I'm planning on creating a store online that I can sell shirts and other related products. And once I see that I'm generating enough interest in my channel, I will build upon that and create or get more compact products on my site and see how that goes from there. So it will come out sometime in the beginning of 2026. So keep an eye out for that. I'm also going to go full bore with the affiliate marketing now that I just found out I could have done it a while ago. I didn't need to be part of the YPP program. Oh well, it's all good. I had a lot of fun playing with my video, so it's good. That's it for this update video. Thank you for watching. And remember to stay warm. It's cold out there, and if you got snow, send some my way. I wanted some for Christmas, but I didn't get my wish. But it's all good, because I still had a fantastic Christmas. I hope you did too. So until then, stay snazzy, and Happy New Year.